Reminds me of building those expert sets where the seats, the black seats at the back, were made up with tons of these little plates stacked on top of each other. I suppose it's my love of those old sets that causes me to be so, I'm not going to say prejudiced, that's a bit too much, but in favour of the simple way of building things. There's no better roof than millions of 4x2 slopes on top of each other. I just used to spend hours as a child doing that, building roofs. Every time I got a new capping stone, or the fancy slope bricks that allow you to go into the side of a slope. There was one on the front of the Norton, blue one on the front of the Norton. I used to think they were amazing. It's years since I've built those. What were they called? Were they called expert sets? Anyway, let's be in the moment. We're building Technic tractors. I want to talk about other sets. Sorry, tractor. Okay, I've got my focus back. I'm in the room. I don't profess to know very much about mindfulness, but I do know that it's all about the concept of being in the moment. Oop. Ooh. Right, that's going to be a break on the back, isn't it? I was wondering what would determine the final resting angle, and it's that. It looks as though this sticks on this, but it doesn't. This is way too low. Which means I think I need to put those little side pieces on first. Oh, that's okay. Thought I'd missed a piece. And then that goes on there. Where are you? And now we have to play hunt the remaining piece. Oh, that didn't take long. It goes there. Oh, that's nice. Chassis is forming itself nicely. Shame to lose sight of the gears, but you know, gotta be done. I think the easiest way to do this bit is to put these side brakes on and then post the axle through later, otherwise it's all just going to flop around, isn't it? Can't do it suspended in mid-air though. Now, how long are they going to make me wait before this gets locked in? Oh, this goes on the underside. Of this. Just like so. Don't tip it up. Don't tip it up. A lot of pieces. So I have to build these side cheeks. Again, I think I want to do this off-site. Bring them in when I'm done. remember the first inverted slope I ever got was in the Coast Guard, the 369 Coast Guard, which is one of the sets. I think I remember getting it. It was very, very close. It's right on the very edge of memory. But remember, it had little like seagoing vessels that had these on. I don't think I had any before then. I remember being very excited. Slopes that go underneath bricks, mind-blowing. Hands are all scratched. I've been doing battle with a Berberis in the garden. Jury's out on who won. I think I did. It's looking much sorrier for itself than I am. They're vicious plants. Oh, this is going to do the job. I was complaining about that axle falling out, but it won't, will it? This is how it's going to be held in place. Excellent. Just like so. I think they're right on the end, aren't they? Yeah. Everything's just a little bit precarious at the moment. I'm sure it'll all come together. Oh, there's a big bite mark in that piece. Over enthusiastic Anthony at some point. I have to really press that down. It's one of those things where you're pressing all the pieces down and, and suddenly everything explodes and flies off in a million directions. Oh, did I only get 5? Back in a sec. All fixed. It's special delivery by the Brick Fairy.